Right, so we started our mission to find this this lost sort of uncovered church, I think it was, or a chapel. So we're just missioning through the dunes, through the sand dunes at the minute, trying to find it. Sarah's up there.
Watching for the dune rats.
Adam for dune rats.
Whatever.
Yeah, we've got literally all that to go. Apparently it's down the far end of the beach, so we'll see what happens, guys. MOD property.
Access through Penhill training. You're invited to follow the way back south.
So we can use it.
Step through this, you're gonna get fucking
shot and blown up and fucking and whatever else. They might have like decommissioned it. Then it'd be sealed off a lot more than that. So we just come to a sign and it said
yeah.
Do not touch any military debris or anything like that. So there could be like bullet casings and like, I don't know, like artillery shells and shit like that. That's cool, man. What? I'll send it up now, actually, see what I can get. Right, so sent the drone up, but unfortunately it's restricted to like 30 meters high, and also I can only send it like 50 meters away. It's clearly restricted because of the MOD thing there. We've managed to get a bit of a signal and then try and figure out where this chapel thing is. And it's not that far from the caravan site, so we've walked like way past it. So we've turned round, we're gonna head back. Yeah, we will find it, guys. We're definitely gonna find it. We've found it. It's less of a structure that we thought it was, so it's just gonna be remaining walls and stuff. So we're gonna go and check that cross out and then we'll walk across and see that. Yeah man, we found it. Right, so we've found it. You can actually get into it. So we're gonna come in. I've changed it to super view because of how tight it is. But that is literally the smallest structure I've ever seen ever.
That's literally it.
Holy shit.
It's quite cool.
I wonder what it was then.
A little church.
Was it a church?
Yeah. Santa something. Okay. We'll stay on there if it was a church.
That is tiny, man.
You can see where it's been like held up though, can't you?
Yeah.
But that's very
Yeah, so all
stone
this
town.
is, so all this stuff here is new, and they've done it to preserve and keep these up, like the walls upright. This is crazy.
What a cross on it.
Is that?
I mean, it's the teeniest little thing ever, isn't it? There's like a little shrine.
Tiny little cross there. This is cool, man. I'm gonna have a bit of a walk between the walls here, just around the outside.
Good idea.
roofing, man. This is tight. I mean, I can only just fit shoulder to shoulder in there. That'll have been some more slate and shit from here. They probably pulled all the loose stuff off, put it into one end, and then just bricked it up. But yeah, look at how like uneven the walls are. It just curves in. So there is like a notice board, like an information board outside. So we're gonna go and check that out, and then we'll get some footage on the drone of it. But yeah, let's try and climb up onto that, and I'll show you like the clothing for the roof, which is pretty cool. Rope, and then it's layered in grass, but then you've got all these wooden pegs and that they've knocked in to obviously secure it and that. That's cool, that. Try and get that down now. This is cool. Right guys, so we've just finished up with the drone footage. So there's the cross up there, which is how we've managed to find the old oratory. And then apparently on the map there is an old church. From what that says, there is an old church. So what we're doing, we're currently heading over in this direction now, which according to the map is where it's at. Right guys, so we was walking up this main path there, and I've just spotted the board there. I mean, I don't know if there's going to be any form of structure there, but there might be something. So this will be where the church was. Crazy to try and do a bit of a ghost, isn't it?
You could too.
Yeah, you could. Because it was from what that was saying, it was built inside oval structures. Like, so around this land was like an oval. So there could have been something previous, and what they've done is they've reused this and built in it. So
This is
there
probably
could
like-
be even something further back. I think it'll go deeper though.
Yeah, it'd be cool, wouldn't it?
I reckon it goes deeper than this,
It will do.
like the walls and stuff. It's just been covered all the time, hasn't it?
And what when was it built? At the same time as the church, the oratory?
No, it was
Is it later or?
later, yeah.
Still though, I think those stones when they were laid like under here, it would be all this, wouldn't it? It'd be all,
Yeah.
be all brick.
Cool.
I'm just playing it and go doing barrel rolls.
Did I?
Costumes, yeah.
Got a mushroom. That'll take me back to the 6th century then.
Yeah.
Are they?
There's a big wall.
They're like a sun trap though, aren't they?
Not boiling. The warm. I know, I don't know why I said boiling.
Lukewarm. Yeah, you would, wouldn't you?
Shame there's not like a floor plan, you know, like Ireland and everything.
Yeah.
But they probably don't know. Well, they've got a picture.
I'll send that. I've got some battery left on the drone, so what I'll do is I'll send that up and get an aerial view of it.
That was probably the entrance then where the stairs are.
Yeah, I think it would have been.
Here probably then.
Possibly.
I reckon so. Yeah.
It could have even been there, yeah. Walking up some historic steps.
Imagine everyone you touch that, you got a flashback.
You should try that. Seems though you're a bit like,
That's why I always touch stuff, me.
just to see if you get something. I'm going to have a wander over there, have a quick nosy at that cross, and then we're going to head back. I think we're going to get an ice cream, aren't we? I like how they got all the yellow moss stuff on it. Oh, but how old do you reckon that is?
Old. Probably was here when that was there.
Yeah, that'll have been because of the little magpie. Yeah, I reckon that was erected when the church went up as well. We only found out about the oratory because of a post that popped up on Sarah's Facebook. I think, what was it, like a news article?
Cornwall Live, I think it was. A paper follow.
Right. But yeah, Sarah found out, she tagged me in it. It looked pretty cool. And then we didn't realise how close it was to the caravan site. But yeah, we found them. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, like that, click that like button.
Like that click button.
Like the click button.
Brush up against that subscribe button.
You are.
Brush up against that subscribe button.
But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video guys, then click on that like button. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below. But until next time, take it easy.
Bye.
Adios and goodbye.